Quality Lab Solutions. In pharmaceutical packaging, precision is not optional. Integrity is everything. Introducing LeakSure PRO from Quality Lab Solutions, an intelligent vacuum leak testing system engineered for modern pharmaceutical quality control. Powered by the advanced Vacuum Logic Intelligence Engine. LeakSure PRO visualizes every stage of vacuum generation in real time. Detect micro-leaks instantly with intelligent graphical analysis and laboratory-grade precision. Designed to support 21 CFR Part 11 compliance. With secure audit trails, electronic records, role-based access control, and ALCOA plus data integrity. Because compliance should be seamless. From blister packs to flexible packaging, LeakSure PRO delivers fast, reliable, and repeatable leak detection for critical pharmaceutical applications. Accuracy, compliance, connective precision you can trust, compliance you can count on. Get started today with Quality Lab Solutions.